Meyer WubbaNub Infant Pacifier Rocky Chicken by Meyer is one of the best sellers among baby pacifiers products. Rocky Chicken WubbaNub is a stuffed animal and infant pacifier combined into one soft, soothing toy. 6-inch long animal friend makes it easy for baby to grasp and manipulate the pacifier. No pacifier cords or clips. Made with Philips Avent Soothie Pacifier, latex-free, medical-grade silicone, BPA, PVC and phthalate-free, sewn into the WubbaNub for safety. Machine washable and mesh laundry bag on gentle cycle, air dry. Recommended for 0 to 6 months, not suggested for teething stage or babies with teeth. When transitioning off pacifier, simply remove the Soothie and your baby will continue to have the joy and comfort of their animal friend. A delightful baby shower gift. Meyer WubbaNub original designs are made lovingly by hand and are available in a variety of animal shapes and colors. What do you get when you combine a cute plush toy with a hospital-grade pacifier? A good night's sleep. Finally, a way to gently help the pacifier stay close to your baby. The WubbaNub plush toy pacifier is designed to give your baby comfort with a soft animal friend that not only provides stimulation for little fingers but positioning support for the pacifier. The Soothie pacifier is sewn into the WubbaNub for safety and is made of medical-grade silicone that is latex-free. When it is time to transition off the pacifier, simply remove the Soothie and your baby will continue to have the joy and comfort of their animal friend. Machine wash and dry. Recommended for full-term, newborn up to 6 months. Meets all safety requirements.